In this theory tutorial, I like to talk about intervals, and specifically intervals of major and minor thirds. Now, you might have already learned that an interval means the distance between two notes. Say, for example, we have the following two notes stacked on top of each other. We've got an F and we've got a C. Then we usually count up from the bottom note, line space, until we get to the next note. So we're going to go F, G, A, B, C. And then we count the notes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we say this is an interval of a fifth, or also known as a perfect fifth. Now, we can do exactly the same with thirds. So if I have the following two notes, I have C and I've got E. Then I'm going to count up from the bottom note, C, D, E. And I'm going to see, well, there's three notes, so this is definitely an interval of a third. But how do I then know whether this is a major or a minor? Well, here we have C to E. And we know that between C and D, we have one whole tone. From D to E, we have another whole tone, because we need to move, in order to get to E, we need to first move past D sharp. So, and the same for C. In order to get from C to D, we need to move past C sharp first. So, half a tone and half a tone makes one whole tone. So from C to D, we have one whole tone. If there is two tones in the interval, two tones right next to each other in the interval of a third that you need to identify, then the interval is major. How then do we identify the minor? Well, if we have A to C, we're going to first count up the notes again. 1, 2, 3. So this is definitely an interval of a third. But now, if there is a tone from A to B is a tone, and a semitone from B to C we know is always a semitone. So we have a tone, semitone, then it is a minor. So from A to C is a minor third, while from C to E is a major third. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe and check out any other videos that might be useful. Thanks for watching.